apron on.
Hello, we're back. And we have y'all on a stand this time so I can help pull the taffy. And Mom just said Mike has got to put on his apron.
But that's all right. But that's okay. Okay. Now, you butter our hands real good. Now, the sheriff has to get his apron on. He washed his hands and all that stuff.
He's our chef. He cooks for us. Except for on Thursday afternoon.
You see how it looks? And I put my finger in the middle, and it's not real bad hot, but I'm sure they're gonna think it's really, really hot. Now you don't have
too little?
You don't have much time for that because it's time to do this. Okay, then you see around the edges, it's gotten. See, look. Can you see? In case this all goes off, you know it's turned out to be a mess. But
It's really hot, Grandma.
I know, that's what you have to do while it's hot. And you just keep pulling it up. Melissa, you come on and get yours.
Wait a minute. I need to wash my hands because
You don't have time for waiting.
I'm on my way. What's going on? I haven't buttered my hands. This is the fun part.
I'm afraid I might not be fast enough for this because it's already getting hard.
Oh my. So I'm late on mine. So we're just too... Oh, this one's too hard.
You
No,
pull it
maybe
back
not.
and forth. See?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, here you go. And you have to pull it back and forth, which I'm not strong enough to do, so I'm going to have to give this to the...
I couldn't get all of it out of the plate. Is it going to be stuck in there forever?
Or just leave it and pull this.
Show them what you're doing, you guys.
You pull it back and forth.
Oh my goodness. This is like... Not like I remember.
Oh dear.
It's kind of cutting my hands, Mom. And it's really hot.
We brought Mike in here because he's strong, and we figured he could pull taffy better than us.
But it's really hot.
I know that's where you, because it's going to get cold and it gets
Mine
hard
is going to be horrible.
to get pulled in. I'm not strong enough. I'm sorry, I'm not strong enough. I have to get the mine see. But the point is you pull it back and forth and back and forth. And maybe not cook it quite as hard as we cooked ours, maybe. Mike's doing it.
Oh, Mike's doing it. He's good at this.
You want to
It's
add
like
mine
a
to it?
regular taffy king or something.
Do I want to add? You mean
I
make it
cannot
harder?
even stretch
No, I can't
at
pull
all.
it. We must have cooked it a little bit too long because we're weak. My mama's strong. See,
Grandma
don't
said
cook
so
it quite
was
as long as we did or you'll have amber stuff.
We were younger then, Renee. Can you lift your hands up and let them see how yours looks so good, Mike? Look at Mike's. It's looking good. You do this until it turns white, y'all, which might be forever.
I don't think yours is already getting hard. You're not
I
gonna
think
have
mine
time.
is a fail. But the good thing is you can still eat it.
I'm going to pull all your caps out.
No, if it gets right, it won't.
It tastes
This,
just like the
you
taffy.
remember, this is a comedy hour, not a authentic cooking show.
You have to keep doing that until it all turns white.
I'm going to do it till my alarm goes off.
He's only giving us a certain amount of time.
And then I have a Zoom meeting.
Oh, he's got a meeting.
Oh my.
But
Then I have
it
another one
tastes
after.
really good, y'all. It tastes just like what I remember as a kid. The taffy tasting like, and even though my piece is a personal failure.
Here's Melissa's nice taffy candy.
Mike's is looking pretty good.
I think what we did was cook it too long, so don't cook it when it first starts breaking. Maybe if you use a thermometer. I'm sorry.
No, Mike's is turning out good. So, I don't know about the Pioneer Woman thing, Renee.
Hey, it's good.
But it tastes really good. I mean, how are you going to mess up sugar?
Cook it too long.
But it still tastes good.
I remember somebody burning water one time. I think that had
Are
something
you
to do
going
with
to tell
sugar.
them now?
No, I'm not going to tell him. I thought
When we were first married, and we moved into our little house, I was gonna make him sweet tea. And I was so ignorant, I put the sugar in the pan to boil with the tea bag.
I didn't teach her that.
Burn the pan right up too.
I have come a long way in the tea party scene. You know what I'm saying? A long way.
Okay. We cooked it too long.
They can't see your face. Move over a little bit, Mama.
Marlene, we cooked it too long. But Mike is strong, so we're going to have amber white type of candy.
Well, I think I've about twisted it all it's going to twist.
It's Melissa's fault.
I feel like I'm making a Japanese sword here. 10,000 bends.
Oh, well. Another day.
I think it's that vinegar I bought y'all.
So what do you do with it when it gets
But
off?
it's
String
supposed
it
to
up
be
and
bendable
down,
enough to where you can
You what?
String it up and
string
down.
it up and down.
Well, it ain't going nowhere. You mean like this?
Yeah, you stretch it and string it.
In little pieces.
And we're supposed to be 2 people pulling it, right, at this point.
And that's supposed to be white.
But I think maybe it's just not going to be white because we use that different vinegar.
No, it's because it hadn't been pulled. You have to pull
It
a long
hadn't been
time.
pulled. I think we need Judy and Laura for this.
Excuse me, I'm
Well,
embarrassing
I've already
my
got
family.
blisters on my hand.
Now Mike will be able
I
to
had
teach.
washed the stuff off my hands already.
Well,
Well, look, I got 2 great big old blisters pulling
You
taffy.
got blisters
Sorry.
pulling taffy.
Yeah, well, it's so hot.
You are so delicate.
I am. I got the preacher hands.
tastes good
The
though.
delicate preacher
I
hands
used to have calloused hands, remember?
back in the day.
Back in the day. Shall
Shall we sign off?
This may be the last time I ever make taffy.
You know, this
candy.
would make a really good club, Grandma.
It tastes good though. Marlene says she wants to see you stretch that out.
Seriously, it's too hard.
Aunt Marlene, have you ever had this happen to your taffy candy?
Especially if you're on, especially when you're on national TV or whatever we're on. I'm embarrassment to my family. But y'all get a good laugh. But maybe I cooked it a little bit too long. Maybe if you use a candy thermometer.
I think it's going to take a while to eat this piece, Mama. That is hard as a rock. You didn't tell me I was supposed to like be stretching it out. I've been bending it. Look at that. It's just.
He had no idea what we're talking about, this taffy candy making. So, challenge to you all: try doing this at home and show us what you get out of it, how it turns out.
Okay,
We
guess
may
what?
try it again.
When we finish it up, if we ever get real vinegar, I didn't tell you she had homemade vanilla too. Anyway, we'll try it again one day and do it right.
Will we now?
But it tastes good. Guess what? We're going to take a spoon and crack this up in little pieces, and we're going to have some very good candy.
It really is yummy. So, give it a try. It's super, super easy, except for this part.
You just have to not cook it quite as much as I did and pull it faster.
Okay. All right. So, I'm going to say bye. It's good to see all your faces. I see a lot of familiar names. Thanks for joining us. We had fun giving a shot at taffy candy today.
Macy and Marlene, don't be embarrassed.
It tastes really good.
Mama's sisters are on here,
Oh
y'all.
dear, I see my sister-in-law. Is that her?
Oh,
Don't be
and her
embarrassed.
sister-in-law. She's so embarrassed. We love you all. It's good to see all your names on here. Have a great afternoon. Take care. Let's say bye.
It's really good.
Bye. Tell them it's really good.
It's very good. I am
Have a
eating a
bite.
piece right now.
Have a bite.
Yummy.
Bye-bye.